Hello viewers, this is Midun and this video will be the unboxing and long time review of the Shell Advanced 10W40 A/7 semi-synthetic engine oil for motorcycles. And this is one of the best engine oil you can purchase at a low cost. It costs only 330 rupees if you purchase from Amazon, and its original MRP is 399 rupees. This Shell Advanced 10W40 engine oil is mainly meant to above 100cc motorcycles, and this review will be based on my personal and long time experience. I purchased the Shell Advanced 10W40 for refilling my already existing Shell engine oil, the same engine oil, and you can see the specification of the engine oil. This is 10W40 A/7 a semi-synthetic engine oil, 1 liter, cost 330 rupees. The main advantages of the engine oil is, after I have already run my motorcycle using this engine oil for the last 2500 kilometers, and I found that after using this engine oil, the engine is quite smooth. The gear shifting is also very smooth. The engine sound is reduced a lot. One of the disadvantages of the engine oil is that its availability is a little bit difficulty. It is only available from Amazon. In the local shops it is very difficult to get. I already told you that this is one of the best semi-synthetic engine oil below 400 rupees from a number one engine oil brand like Shell. You can without any doubt purchase this engine oil, and I will show in my next video that how to exactly refill the engine oil. This engine oil can be refilled after 2500 kilometers without any problem, and this is a golden shade engine oil. And thank you viewers for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much.